Hello students. Today we want to discuss O-level English syllabus paper pattern and its code is 1123. There is paper 1 writing. It has 60 marks and it has 50% weightage, and there would be you have to answer two questions and its time is 90 minutes. Section 1 consists of directed writing and it covers 30 marks. 15 marks task is for fulfillment of task and 15 marks have been allocated for language accuracy. One compulsory writing task and the answer should be in 200 to 300 words. Obviously, students should follow the upper limit of words. Second section is called composition, 30 marks. One writing task from a choice of 5 essays and one descriptive essay, two argumentative essay, two narrative essay titles, and answer should be written in 350 to 500 words, and students should follow upper limit 500 words. Content of paper 1 writing, there would be letter, speech, report, article, and second question will cover descriptive essay, argumentative essay, narrative essay, or story. Evaluation parameters. How does O-level examination body check your paper, and which points are considered while they are giving marks? Demonstrate understanding of explicit meanings. Meanings should be very clear. And understanding of implicit meaning. Implicit mean hidden meaning and attitude of the text. The writer should mention experience, thought, feeling, and imaginations. And there should be a sequence that can be a chronological sequence or thematic sequence of facts, ideas, and opinions. Use a range of appropriate vocabulary. Vocabulary should be diverse. It should not happen that one word has been repeated frequently. Use register appropriate to audience and context. Register mean particular vocabulary of that profession. Accuracy in language. Accuracy in the sense that spelling should be correct, punctuation marks, and grammar. In evaluation task, thought, feeling, and imagination will be checked. Sequence of ideas, uh, different type of vocabulary, different sentence structure, and register and spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Language should be accurate. Paper 2 will cover reading section. It has 50 marks. Its weightage is 50%. It covers 1 hour 45 minutes. 15 minutes have been given more so that students can read it, and after reading they will write their responses. Answer all questions in both sections. Section 1, reading for ideas. It has 25 marks, 12 follow points plus 10 summary and 3 short answers. Candidates will scan a factual text and identify key points of that paragraph. You should take notes to write a summary of 150 to 180 words. That would be the one third of the original text or the paragraph. Answer questions to identify examples of a function. Student should be able to differentiate among opinion, advice, criticism, or warning. Section 2 is the reading for meaning. It also covers 25 marks. Candidates respond to questions about one narrative essay. There would be some MCQs, true, false, fill in the blanks. Both passages in paper will cover almost 700 words. Evaluation criteria is that It checks the purpose, sequence of facts, ideas, opinions, vocabulary, sentence structure, and presentation of ideas and opinions. Again, evaluation parameters are accuracy of language and how the writer achieves effects, and evaluation, facts, ideas, opinions, uh, surface meaning and deep meaning should be clarified. So, to become a well versed writer and reader, you should understand that reading is a receptive skill. And if you read quality articles, good articles, your writing will be polished. Your writing ability will enhance. So, writing is a productive skill. Reading and writing both have correlation with each other. So that's why I want to recommend that readers digest newspapers, editorials, articles, Time magazines, everyday life topics should be read. For example, climate change, rice, food, sea life, oceanography, nanotechnology, wildlife, forestry, agriculture, different novels, science fiction or fiction novels should be read, short stories to grasp the different vocabulary, emotions, feelings should be studied. So, we also offer trainings in linguistics, in technology, research, and tutoring facilities are also provided to students in linguistics, literature, IELTS, O level, uh, and different other classes are arranged for students. Editing, proofreading, rewriting, formatting, translation English to Urdu and Urdu to English is also provided to students. Feel free to contact us. And if you have any question, I'm here to answer your all questions. Thank you so much.